I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how to get multiple documents by IDs in Elasticsearch. Let's start. First step is to start Elasticsearch. You can use commands from article to start Elasticsearch and then use a curl to insert documents, or you can use ready-to-use project, Docker Compose project that you can start by executing one script. Here you have a project structure and you have a link to download this project. You can unpack it and run it. How to do it you can find in this article. This description is detailed. You can understand it very easily. So let's copy that commands here from the article about how to get multiple documents by ID in Elasticsearch. So first command is to start Elasticsearch cluster. Let's comment out and execute in a terminal. You have terminal, you place the commands and execute it. This, if you have such issue, it means that you run this command of network create before, so network is already existing. That's absolutely fine. You can check running containers. As you can see, the Elasticsearch container is up and running. Second command is to set password for Elastic user, so you can use later on API calls to execute commands for Elasticsearch. As you can see, the message password for the Elastic user successfully reset, which means that now you can use that password to log in. The password is simple, is 123456. This is for testing purposes. It doesn't matter right now the security things. Time to load test data. In the article I prepared for you test data that includes information about people and some kind of personal ID as ID. Copy that command and place it in a terminal. Hit enter. As you can see, there is no errors, because errors is false, and you have all documents inserted. You can verify it if you select, for example here, if you can select the curl command, place curl, get, username elastic, password. We don't need header of content type because we are not sending anything. It will be get request to confirm that documents are existing. And you need address for Elasticsearch. Index is people, so it will be after the slash. Cat indices / people, that's the name, and you can see the index. You can also display the name. Index is people, it has 10 documents. Now I can show you the next step. Next step is to retrieve multiple documents using the IDs. Here you have also example query that has 5 IDs that retrieve 5 documents. Copy that request, go to the terminal and execute it. As you can see in the response, you're getting exactly 5 documents. This API call mget mostly is used in applications, integration between components, for example UI application that display data about certain customers and you know the IDs of such customers. For example, you can search for them, select them, and then you retrieve more data, right? So you can imagine in one index you will display the information about ID or some details that include ID, and then if you select in a UI such documents in your application, it can easily create the mget API call to retrieve more data about such users using that IDs. I want you to learn more about Elasticsearch. Therefore, I prepared special courses that you can learn more about Elasticsearch, all the tips and tricks that I collected throughout the years about Elasticsearch. Now they are available in the form of compact courses. Check them out. The link to these courses are in the descriptions. Have a nice coding. Bye.